and welcome to Summer Diaries episode number 2. So today we are gonna go to the water park. We're gonna go down some slides, hang out with some family, and just like swim, summer vibes. So let's get ready. Little personal note. Okay, so I have 2 bathing suits only. I usually like my colorful one the most just because it's a lot more comfortable, but maybe black. What are we feeling today? I don't know. But this pink one's really cute and summery and it has a cute little back. So maybe we'll do that one today. I have psoriasis and I like to cover it up. So I do wear like these pants. Let me show you them. They're sparkly, glittery beach pants. These work the most. They're sheer. So swimming in them, but they don't make me feel insecure with what I'm wearing. So combo these pants and that is my swim gear for having psoriasis in the summer. You'll work with what you got, making sure that you feel very comfortable and confident. I think that's the bigger key. Anyways, let's get ready. Another take to getting ready. Okay. Bate. Let's go to the water park. I'm legit trying out this case to see if it works. We will see. If you see this footage, my phone did not get damaged in the water. I'm trusting this little sea rag. We'll see if it works. And done. Mermaid. Break time. It's kind of cold. This is the day. Your hair looks so cute. Mine's like fuzzy. The day is over. Now we're gonna go eat because I'm starving. And yeah, day is over. We literally been here like damn near all day and no food except for some like
little snacks,
little Ritz peanut butter crackers and some Cheez-Its. I'm hungry. And we've been swimming. It was closed till park comes in. Now we got here at like 2 all the way to 6 o'clock. Water World. Until next time.